Hi guys, today my mom and dad got me a Godzilla x Kong with Beast Glove toy. Show you how it looks. Here. Alright. It's very articulated and also posable as well, and the head can also move, and the arms, it can't because it's too hard, but it is very cool. And it also comes with the heave, which is a newer version of the other heave from Godzilla vs. Kong movie. And next we have Skar King with a whip slash. We have Skar King with a whip slasher, and it looks very posable and also articulated as well. And comes with the whip slasher, which is from a Godzilla species, and he can also hold it with his hand like this and use it to fight.